Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Ehstorshell Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. As we prepare the manual solution for Ehstorshell Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Ehstorshell Library, the Enhanced Storage Shell extension. It manages unmanaged routines for managing IEEE 1667 encrypted drives and large storage devices. It facilitates the orchestration of secure storage manifests within the Windows shell data link. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Because Ehstorshell Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Ehstorshell library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Ehstorshell Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Ehstorshell library optimization concepts. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Ehstorshell library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.